Want to build your dream home without it turning into a financial nightmare? Choosing the right materials from the get-go can save you thousands. We're talking about smart choices, the kind that give you the best bang for your buck. So, whether you're just starting to plan your build or you're knee-deep in blueprints, this video is packed with practical advice to help you build smart and save big. Alright, let's talk about something I see all too often. Homeowners getting lured in by the siren song of cheap materials. It's tempting, I know. The price tags on those items can be very appealing, especially when you're trying to stick to a tight budget. Look, I get it. Budget is always a factor, and it's important to be mindful of your spending. But trust me, cheaper isn't always better, especially in the long run. The initial savings can quickly evaporate when you have to deal with the consequences of poor quality. You might save a few bucks up front going with the cheapest option, and it might feel like a win at the moment. But what happens down the line? Premature wear and tear, unexpected damages, and frequent maintenance issues. Constant repairs, replacements. Suddenly that bargain material ends up costing you double or even triple the initial price. It's a classic case of being penny-wise and pound-foolish. The materials are its foundation, its bones. Just like you wouldn't build a house on a shaky foundation, you shouldn't use subpar materials. You gotta make sure they're solid and built to last. Quality materials might cost more up front, but they pay off in the long run. That's why you need to find that sweet spot, that balance between affordability and durability. It's about making smart investments. Take roofing, for example. Sure, asphalt shingles might seem like the budget-friendly choice, and they are quite popular for that reason, but they have a shorter lifespan compared to metal roofing. Over time, the cost of replacing asphalt shingles can add up. Metal roofing might cost more initially, but it's more durable, lasts longer, and requires less maintenance, and can even save you money on energy bills because of its reflective properties. It's an investment that pays off in multiple ways. Invest in energy-efficient windows with double or triple panes. They might be pricier, but the benefits are substantial. You'll be thanking me when you see the difference in your energy bills. The comfort and savings are well worth the initial cost. Remember, you're building a home, not a money pit. Make wise choices now, and you'll enjoy the benefits for years to come. Alright, time to talk about modern solutions for modern homeowners. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency and innovation are key. Homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to streamline the building process without compromising on quality or design. We're talking about prefabricated and modular materials. These aren't just buzzwords, they represent a significant shift in how we think about construction. Prefabricated and modular building has come a long way, and it's a game-changer for saving both time and money on your build. Imagine having large sections of your home built in a factory, where conditions are controlled and quality is consistently high. Think about it. Instead of having every single component shipped to your site and then constructed piece by piece, you can have major sections pre-built. This not only speeds up the process but also reduces the margin for error. You have large sections like walls, floors, or even entire rooms built off-site in a controlled factory environment. This means fewer delays due to weather and other on-site complications. Then, they're delivered to your property and assembled like giant building blocks. It's like putting together a life-sized puzzle, but with all the pieces perfectly crafted to fit. This means less time wasted on construction, fewer labor costs, and a faster build time. Plus, the precision of factory-built components often results in a higher quality finish. One of the most popular options these days are structural insulated panels, or SIPs. These panels are not only quick to install but also provide excellent insulation. They go up fast, offer incredible energy efficiency, and can save you a bundle on heating and cooling costs down the line. Imagine a home that stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer with minimal energy use. Prefabricated walls, roof trusses, and floor joists are other great options. These components can be quickly assembled on-site, reducing the overall construction timeline. So, talk to your contractor about the possibilities and see how prefabricated and modular materials can take your build to the next level. Embrace the future of construction and build smarter, not harder. Chapter 3. Alternative building materials. Think outside the lumberyard. Now let's talk about thinking outside the box, or in this case, outside the lumberyard. Traditional building materials like wood and concrete have been the backbone of construction for centuries. However, with the advancement of technology and a growing awareness of environmental sustainability, the construction industry is evolving. There's a whole world of innovative and cost-effective alternatives out there just waiting to be discovered. These materials not only promise to reduce costs, but also offer unique benefits that traditional materials might lack. These alternatives often offer the same, if not better, strength and durability as traditional materials, but at a fraction of the cost. Imagine building a home that's not only sturdy but also more affordable and environmentally friendly. Plus, many of them are eco-friendly, so you can feel good about reducing your environmental impact. Using sustainable materials can significantly lower the carbon footprint of your construction project, contributing to a healthier planet. Let's start with aerated concrete blocks, also known as autoclaved concrete. These blocks are gaining popularity due to their lightweight nature and ease of use. These lightweight blocks are made from a mixture of cement, lime, water, and a bit of aluminum powder. The aluminum powder reacts with the lime and water to form tiny air bubbles, giving the blocks their unique properties. They're fire-resistant, insect-proof, and offer excellent insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Then there's fiber cement. This material is not only durable but also versatile, making it suitable for various applications. It's made from a mix of cement, cellulose fibers, and sand, making it incredibly durable, resistant to rot, fire, and even insects. Fiber cement is often used for siding and roofing, providing a long-lasting solution for your building needs. Engineered wood products are another great alternative to traditional lumber. These products are designed to maximize the strength and utility of wood, making them a smart choice for modern construction. Products like laminated veneer lumber, LVL, and cross-laminated timber, CLT, are made from layers of wood veneers glued together under pressure. This process creates a material that is stronger and more stable than traditional wood. Bamboo is another fast-growing renewable resource that's gaining popularity in construction. Its rapid growth rate and strength make it an excellent alternative to traditional wood. The key here is to do your research and talk to your contractor about what alternative materials might be suitable for your specific project and location. By exploring these options, you can build a structure that is not only cost-effective but also sustainable and innovative. Chapter 4. Local sourcing. Keep it close to home and save. Alright folks, let's talk about keeping it local. A big chunk of your building budget can get eaten up by transportation costs. But when you choose materials that are sourced locally, you're not only cutting down on those transportation costs, you're supporting local businesses and reducing your carbon footprint. Plus, locally sourced materials often perform better in their region's climate. Think about it. Wood that's grown in your area is already adapted to the local humidity levels, temperature swings, and even pests. Start by talking to your contractor or builder. They'll have connections with local suppliers and can give you an idea of what's available in your area. You might be surprised at the variety and quality of materials you can find right in your own backyard. So before you order that exotic hardwood from 1,000 miles away, see what your local area has to offer. Chapter 5. Buy in bulk and plan for savings. Now let's talk strategy, folks. Building a home on a budget isn't just about choosing the right materials, it's about planning ahead and being smart with your purchases. One of the easiest ways to save big is to buy in bulk whenever possible. Talk to your contractor about ordering larger quantities of materials like lumber, drywall, insulation, or flooring. Suppliers are often willing to give discounts for bulk orders, which can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Another key to saving money is to plan efficiently and avoid those last-minute impulse buys. Make a detailed list of all the materials you'll need for each stage of the project and try to stick to it as closely as possible. And speaking of overspending, be wary of those upgrade options that contractors might try to sell you. By planning ahead, buying smart, and resisting those impulse buys, you'll be amazed at how much money you can save on your building project. Outro: build smart, save big. There you have it, folks. Building a home doesn't have to drain your bank account. By choosing the right materials and using a little bit of common sense, you can build the home of your dreams without breaking the bank. Remember, building smart means choosing materials that last, save you money on energy costs down the line, and don't compromise on quality. So, use these tips, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more expert advice on building, renovations, and everything in between. Let's build something great together.